Today I'm going to make two of my favorite things in one. Crab and tacos, crab cake tacos. Warm these up a little bit. Just a teeny bit of oil. Half oil, half butter. Crab cake. Going with some Old Bay. Kraft Zesty Italian. Classic goodness. Cooked corn. And some nice lump crab cake. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little story. My beautiful mom, Joan, taught me to cook crab cake in half butter and half oil so the butter doesn't burn fast. And I incorporated that technique into my taco creations. Today's taco, something to eat. Man, those tacos are unbelievable, delicious. Crab cake tacos with vinegar and Old Bay.